Okay, good afternoon, students, and welcome to our episode, I believe, 4 in our online class. And I believe you have already taken your lunch now. So I have here with Miss Meme to help me assess in finding your correct answers and in grading your points. For today, we will just review the lessons we discussed last time. At the same time, after that, we will have interactive activities. Unfortunately, we cannot do like book club for that activity. Instead, we will do like quizzes. Okay? So, I believe you are please logging in and make sure that you have prepared a piece of papers because we will do quizzes later on. Okay? So, teacher, maybe how many students have already in our live or are watching already in our live online class? 60 students. Okay, welcome. So we will start around 80. So we will just review and then we will do the book club afterwards. Okay, so we will review the rationalizing the denominator, how it functions. Then later on we will do the what they call this one, the quizzes. Okay, it's quizzes time. Okay, so 60 students. Of course, I have already got your scores, and some students have already submitted. You have already 245 students submitted or answered the Google form last week. So I will give you a chance. So those who don't answer yet, I will send the link again on the line, okay, so that you can answer the Google form. That serves as your listening, reading, and writing test. Okay? Make sure to answer that one. Otherwise, your scores will be half or lower than that. Okay? Also, again, I will get your scores from your comment sections. At the same time, your participations last few weeks. Okay, I believe we can start now, Teacher Mimi. Okay, so let's review now the rationalizing the denominator. So let's start with the vocabularies. Okay, remember that denominator is a number below the line in a common fraction. That is a divisor. Okay, that is a divisor. That is 5. So if we have 2 over 5, this is 5, serves as a denominator. Okay? Next, we have here rationalizing the denominator. So it is a process by which a fraction is rewritten so that the denominator contains only rational numbers. So from irrational, we have to make the denominator into rational numbers. So that process is called rationalizing the denominator. And then the next vocabulary we have here, conjugate. So if you say conjugate, a conjugate is formed by changing the sign between two terms in a binomial. So that is a conjugate. So we have here, okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, so if we say conjugate, that is like changing the sign. For example, I have here x plus 1. So if the conjugate for that one is, you have to change only the middle sign of that one. So it becomes x minus 1, right? If I say minus square root of 3 plus 2, what would be the conjugate? Okay, so again, you have to change the middle sign only, whether or not if it is plus or minus. So you have to write minus square root of 3, then minus 2. So from plus, it becomes minus. Okay, so that is called conjugate. So this is conjugate. Okay. Next, we have here, how are we going to rationalize the denominator if it's only monomial? Monomial meaning only 1. So how can we rationalize that one? So this is just a review. Later on, we'll have it's like a test. It is a reading test. Okay. So this is called, how you're going to rationalize, for example, square root of 5. Remember, you have to look for the square root of 5, the rationalizing factor of square root of 5. Multiply that by square root of 5 divided by square root of 5. Because if you multiply the number by itself, this surd by itself, it becomes rational number. So we have here equals to 1 times square root of 5 is square root of 5 divided by, so if you multiply this one, this is square root of 5 squared, right? So this is cancelled out. So it becomes 5. So this is now the final answer. Your goal is to look for the denominator and then multiply it by the same square root of 5 over square root of 5. And the rest will follow. Okay? Okay, so next, how are we going to rationalize now if it is binomial? So this time, the conjugate will appear. For example, square root of 5 over 3 minus square root of 5. Okay, so you have to look again for the denominator. Our denominator here is 3 minus square root of 5. So the conjugate of that is 3 minus square root of 5, then a plus, Then don't forget to write 3 plus square root of 5 on the numerator. Now, remember, We have to multiply it numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So we have square root of 5. So the first one is square root of 5 times 3. So that is 3. Copy the 3, then square root of 5. Plus square root of 5 times square root of 5. How much is that? Since if you multiply it by itself, it only becomes 5. Okay? So that is 5. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is 5. So that is always the answer. Okay? Divided by, remember the rule that we have, a minus b times a plus b equals a raised to 2 minus b raised to 2. Remember that? So we can have here 3, the first one. So we have to put 3 raised to 2 minus root 5 raised to 2. Right? So now we have here, 3 root 5 plus square root of 5 over 3 squared, that is 9, minus, cancel this one, 5. So the final answer is, 3 root 5 plus 5 over 4. Okay, that takes quite long, but you have to remember the process the same. First, find the conjugate. Second, multiply the numerator to numerator and then denominator to denominator. Next is apply the difference of 2 squared. Okay, that's a squared minus b squared. And then simplify so you can arrive on that final correct answer. Okay, so how many students now involved, teacher Mimi? 90. Okay, amazing. 90 students have already in our lesson. Okay, so this time we will have a listening test first. Top 3 students will get this 1 point for our listening test. I'll ask you questions about that. Okay, so number 1 question: what would you multiply square root of x so that it becomes a rational number? What would you multiply square root of x so that it will become a rational number? Go. Sorry. Okay. So what would you multiply square root of x so that it becomes a rational number? Okay. Yes. Very good. Okay, so you multiply it by square root of x. Okay. So number 2. Okay. Number 2, you have to say true or false. Okay, true or false. The conjugate of x plus square root of 2 is minus x plus square root of 2. True or false? The conjugate of x plus square root of 2 is minus x plus square root of 2. True or false? Go. Good job. That is false. Okay, because it should be on the middle of that sign. Okay, between that 2 numbers. Okay, so be careful with the order. Okay, number 3. Okay, number 3. Okay, in rationalizing the denominator, the numerator should change into a rational number. True or false? Again, in rationalizing the denominator should change, the numerator should change into a rational number. True or false? Okay. True. Okay, the correct answer is false. It should be not the numerator but the denominator. Okay? So if we, from the word rationalizing the denominator, so it should be the denominator, not the numerator. Okay, number 4. Okay? So keep on answering. Okay, number 4. This is the question. Okay. So what is, okay, if what you're gonna multiply in the numbers square root of 3x so that it becomes a rational number. Very easy. Square root of 3x. Square root of 3x so that it becomes a rational number. Go. Okay. Oh, I think only one got the correct answer. Square root of 3x, not square root of 3. So, the correct answer is square root of 3x. It should be both 3 and x. Only one got the correct answer. Very good. From what room, teacher? From? Room 1, room 8. Very good. Room 1, room 8. Okay. And the last number for our listening test before we're going to do the quizzes. Okay. So, this is now the question. Okay. The question is, if you multiply, okay, square root of 3xy by itself, what is the answer? If you multiply, or if you times, multiply square root of 3xy by itself, what is the answer? Go. Square root of 3xy. Mm-hmm.
Room 2 3x.
Okay.
Nandapat 3x. Okay, 3x, 3x, 3xy. 3x and 3xy.
The correct answer should be 3xy. Okay, teacher. Okay, I think Ram got the correct answer. Square root of 3xy, not 3x. It should be these 3. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you so much, teacher. Okay, now we're gonna play a quizzes, but before that, before you're gonna play a quizzes, you have to write a correct username because it's very hard for me to get your scores if you don't know how to write the username. Here it is the username for our quizzes. So before you're gonna log in, make sure to write like this. Okay. So our username is, okay, so from room 2, level 2, room 1, for example, room 1, number 38, okay, then your name, Joe, okay, like that, or room 2, level 2, room 1, if you say number 4 only, you write 0, 4, Joe. Okay? So these are how you're gonna write username in quizzes so that I can identify your names and your rooms immediately. Okay? Okay. So again, level 2, room 1, number 38, Joe. Or level 2, room 1, number 4, Joe. So that's how you're gonna do the quizzes, okay? Okay? So are you ready? So let's now go to the quizzes time. So we have here quizzes time. So our quizzes, because I cannot retrieve the Wook Club here. I cannot find my events. I don't know what happened. So we're gonna have the quizzes instead. So let's continue. And then we're gonna have like this, okay? So this is your 492556. 492556. Go. Okay. Okay, okay. Very good, Mina. Okay, so very good example like that. Okay. So amazing. So keep on logging in. If you have only one mobile phone on your home, make sure to what do you call this one? You can answer that later on, huh? Okay. Okay, keep on answering. Oh, unsafe name. What is that? Okay. Not Nicha. Okay, amazing. So we have already how many students now? 28. Okay, keep on logging in for our quizzes. So 30, 31, 32. Okay. So we have here 42. So, okay, very good. Panachai. Okay, so we have here 24 questions in our quizzes. Okay, so keep on logging in. Okay, very good. 61 students, 63. Okay. Panitsara. Okay, Panitsara. Okay, Pawinach. Make sure to give your best answer so that because this is recorded, so you have a big score after the game. So we have here 83, 84 students together with teacher. The other teachers here. So we have here 88, 89 students. Oh, 92 students. Please come in. 95, 96. Very good. Okay. 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 So sayonara. 108 students. So keep on logging in. Okay. So we have here 110 students. Okay. 1 more minute before we're gonna start our quizzes.
Jimin ก็มาค่ะ
Teacher, this is your teacher.
Jimin
Jimin. Jim. 115. How many students there, teacher, watching? I think 115. Okay. 116. Nala, very good. Okay. Keep on coming because you still have 1 minute before we're gonna start the quizzes. 1 minute before we're gonna start the quizzes. Okay? So keep on logging in. Okay. Okay.
ส่งจีมินมาเป็นตัวแทน
127 students. Okay. Good job. Okay. How many students are watching in our YouTube live stream?
121
21, but it keeps on coming in. So please, 131 now. Okay. So I think there still is. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay. Kong, very good, Kong. Okay, good job, students. Okay, so we have here, okay, this ano pong, who else here? Okay, no more? No more. Don't worry, you can still logging in if this quizzes starts na. So it will still project the code. Okay. So we have 140 students. Okay. Pizamon. Very good. 142. Okay. So many students, huh? Keep on logging in. Okay. So we have here not Danay. Then Sirapatson, amazing Sirapatson. Tunyanon, okay, keep on logging in, please. Oh, I will extend another 1 minute. I think it will go to 200 participants, okay? Okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, 154, including teacher. Okay, 157 students. Okay, keep on coming in. Keep on coming in, students. Then we have here, okay, Pichit, okay, Ambon, and, okay, I think we're gonna start now. Okay, don't worry, you can still log in, even if it starts. Go. Okay, the leading score is room 4, number 13. Okay, we have here. So be careful in answering. Room 4. Okay. Oh my God, Pataran Danay has 3 winning streak now. Okay, I have here a lot of students. Okay, they're still answering. So the leading score here is, oh my goodness, from room 4, number 12. Okay. Okay, keep in answering. Afterwards, we will review the questions and we're gonna answer that one. I will just leave a moment. What means? Okay, keep on answering. Okay. Oh my goodness, who is this? Okay, Anna. Anna. Who is Anna from room 1, number 12? Okay, so there are 24 questions all in all. Okay. Okay, number 1. Who? Okay, who is number 1? Okay, number 12. Fighting number 12 from room 4. Okay, who is now the... Okay. Some students have not yet finished. Many wrong answers here. Don't be fast in answering. Okay. Tunyanon, room 6, number 1. How are you doing? Okay. So there are 24 questions. I will wait for your all answers. So we have 48 accuracy here. Okay, I will show top 5. Top 5 here. Oh my goodness. Top 5. Number 12. There's no wrong answer yet. Okay. Okay, amazing. Okay, keep on answering. Okay, Tonyanon, you are in the top 5. Okay. So we have here. Okay. Okay, Anna B in the top 3. Okay. Top 1 still. Room 4, number 12. Okay. So I have here. Okay, so top 10. Oh my goodness, Patakan on top 6 already. Common not. Come on. Top 3. Okay, keep on answering. So the list here, we have here the list answers. So we have 100, 93 only. Some students cannot enter anymore. You can re-log in by encoding that code. Okay. Here. Okay, keep on answering. Oh my goodness, room 4, number 12 is still on the top one. We have here. Okay, Prim Suda. Okay, let's go. Okay, tab 6. I think Anabi is finished with the top 5. Okay, room 12. Teacher, only single, right? Okay, so we still have 15 minutes. So before we're gonna end, let's find out who will be the top 3 students. Okay, 5 minutes more. 5 minutes more before we're gonna end this one. So top 3 students. Oh my goodness. Patara pa po now from room 8, number 4 is the leading scorer with no mistakes yet. Okay. Also top 3, Patakan. Okay, with no mistakes yet. He has 2 more questions. I think 2 or more questions left before he finished. What else? Okay, keep on answering. Keep on answering. Still have 5 more minutes. Very good, students. Okay. Okay, we have here Patakan from room. Okay, Patakan is the leading scorer now from room 3, number 16. Fighting. Okay. Okay, so we have here. Oh my goodness. Okay, 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes left. Okay, 3 more minutes left. Okay. Okay, so these are the questions here. Okay, oh my God, these are the questions. Okay, in question number 1, 75 correct answers. Okay, so these are only binomial questions here. This is not quite hard. Okay, keep on answering here. Keep on answering. Okay. $24. Okay. 24. Okay, we have here. Go, go. 3 more minutes left. 3 more minutes before we're gonna finish. Okay, so Patarapan has only 1 question left. 1 question left. And who is this one? Patarakan from room 3. From room 3 also, 27. Top 3. Top 3. Okay, so I have here. This is a test for the reading test. So just make sure that you have correct, you do your best to get the correct answer so that you can get high scores afterwards. Okay? 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Okay, 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. They're very fast. Some students are very good. 2 more minutes. Okay. 2 more minutes. Okay. So we have here. Okay, Jirapat. Jirapat here. Okay, Takon. Okay. Jindara. Jindara. Not Danay. And Napat. Okay. 2 more minutes. Okay, some students are still answering. Keep on answering, please. Okay. Anuj, what happened to you, Anuj? Anuj, okay. 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 Okay, only few students left. Okay, so Puwara, room 8, number 1. Okay, I think their internet is slow. Okay. Where's Anuj here? Okay. 2 minutes. I give you 2 minutes. Amazing, amazing. Okay. So I will not end this one unless you are all finished answering. Okay? So let's see. Okay. Oh my god. Amy. Okay, Amy. Okay. 18, 19. 26, 23, 25, 28. Who else here? 36, 39, 35, 41, 48. Okay, 1 more minute. 1 more minute before we're gonna stop this one. 1 more minute. Okay. Okay, I think Patarapon now is the leading scorer. Okay, 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Okay, we still have 10 minutes more. So we're going to end this one. We're going to review some questions and ask some more questions about this one. Okay, I think we're going to end this one now. I think some have already answered this one. Okay, end. Let's end. Okay. What happened to Tanapa? Puwara. Okay. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, I think. Okay. 30 seconds. $20 seconds. 20 seconds. We have here. Okay, we have here. Okay. Tanapum. Okay, I think we finished this one. Okay, let's end this one in 3, 2, 1. And end this one, please. Okay. Okay, let's see. Who is the third? Third, congratulations from room 3, number 27. PK! Amazing! And we have room 8, number 4, Patarapon. And, second placer is room 3, number 16, Patakon. And room 8, number 4 is the winner on today's quizzes. Congratulations. He got the top 3 got all the correct answers. Very good. Okay, so I have here. So, very good. Very nice. Okay, so we will have here, download the results. Okay, I will download it first before we're gonna go. Okay, since we still have 10 more minutes, okay, I will ask now for this is, thank you, teacher. This is now the result already have here. This serves as your reading points. Okay, so this serves as your reading points here, amazing students. Okay, so I have here, and then the player level. Yes, so I have here the player level. Accuracy is 100, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is 24 items. I will just score that 24 items. Okay, now we are finished already with our That is reading test. Now we're gonna go to writing test. Okay. For the writing test, okay. The writing test here is you have to write the answer on words on your comment section. Okay? You have to write the answers on by words on your comment section. Okay? So again, Teacher Mimi will help me to record your points. Okay? Again, top 3 students will get that point. Okay? So I have here rationalizing the same denominator, but this time we still have 10 questions here. Okay, I have prepared already here. This is binomial. It should be not binomial. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, so this is the questions. Okay, are you ready, everyone? Are you ready? Okay, so this is now for the writing test comment section. Okay, just wait. Okay, ready? So no more in the quizzes, but on the comment section. I will just project this one. Okay. What is rationalizing denominator? What is rationalizing denominator? Go. Okay. What is rationalizing denominator? Okay. So that is the question. Okay. Who would give the... It's like a keyword. It's not a keywords only. Okay, there should be a keywords about denominator, rational, irrational numbers. Okay. Okay, if no one teacher... okay.
Denominator to rational number.
Correct. Anoj got 1 point. Anoj in 1 point. Okay. Yes, very good. And the last one, teacher? No. Very good. Amazing, students. That is the key on what is rationalizing the denominator. Next. Okay. Okay. So the question here is, can you still see? Okay. Why do we rationalize denominator? Why we need to rationalize the denominator? Okay, this is like questions. Why? Why are we doing that, right? Go. So why do we rationalize denominator? To solve the question easier. Okay, that's okay. Give chance to Anoj. 1 point to Anoj. Okay. Who else, teacher? Why do we need to rationalize the denominator? The same, yes. Easier, yes. Okay, 1 point. Okay, only 2 students. Okay, we rationalize denominator to make it easier and also to make the denominator, of course, a rational number. Okay, like that. Okay, just wait, teacher. Okay, it's a very big. Next. Okay. Okay, it's a very big. Okay, that one. And very easy. The first one only. Go. What number should we multiply to make it a rational number? The square root of 3. Yes, root 3. Yes, 3 students. And? Okay, congratulations. Okay, this is for your writing points. Additional points for your writing points. Next. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is finished, right? Okay, so how do we rationalize denominator if it's a binomial? Meaning to say, there are 2 terms. Example, square root of 5 plus square root of 3. Okay? Square root of 7 minus square root of 3. How do we rationalize denominator if it's a binomial? I only need 1 word. 1 word, this is the key word. 2 points now. Go. Okay, how do we rationalize denominator if it's a binomial? Okay.
Rationally conjugate.
Conjugate, 2 points. Amazing. Okay.
Factorize with conjugate.
Conjugate, and the last one is
Conjugate.
conjugate. Congratulations. So that is now that is the last part of our writing test. Okay. Thank you so much. So I will record your scores afterwards, and from your comment section, I will check your comment section later on also. Okay. Thank you very much, and see you next week if you're gonna face here or still online. Okay. See you guys, and have a great evening to all of you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Okay.